What's up guys, welcome to another video, and again Apple beat Samsung. Samsung next flagship line of smartphones, expected to be the Galaxy S21, may come with no charger or headphone in the box and is following in Apple's footsteps with its iPhone 12 series. Apple announced 4 iPhone 12 devices in mid-October, none of which come with a charger or a headphone. The move is supposed to be for environmental reason, while of course it also helps to increase margin as the devices are not cheaper than their predecessors. Sam Mobile reported that Korean media claims Samsung can do the same for its Galaxy S21 range, and the move is likely to Apple to the entire range, which are believed to be the Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus, and Galaxy S21 Ultra. There have also been suggestions that Samsung might not be able to dump the charger this time around, but the headphones could still. Removing the charger and the headphones would bring Samsung many advantages for the Galaxy S21. On the one hand, the company would save the production cost for the accessories. On the other hand, Samsung could downsize the boxes of the devices. This in turn would mean that more devices could be loaded and delivered via the various transport routes. Samsung would also save transport costs. The big question would then be whether the manufacturer would pass the savings on to the users, because in this way Samsung could bring the Galaxy S21 to the market at a lower price and have a decisive advantages over the competition. In addition, this approach would protect the environment, as the production of the accessories also emits CO2, carbon dioxide. Since the charger and headphones were previously included in the box, all of Samsung cell phones, many users already have them and therefore do not need any new accessories. It is also possible that Samsung would like to focus on its wireless headphones with the Galaxy S21. Due to the lack of accessories, more users might be inclined to get the wireless earbuds from the manufacturer directly. However, making more profit while being environment friendly is likely to be difficult. Even some Galaxy fans will be disappointed. So I think you enjoyed this video. So before going to anywhere, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos.